Si Gutesa, siguro alam ni Yuse kung nasan si Gutesa.
Bakit naman sa akin ibibintang? Baka kayo may alam.
Ay,
Total, kayo
hindi
naman
ko alam
yata
kasi,
may kakilala dyan.
Hindi, ikaw ang nasa gobyerno eh.
Pero teka lang, sino ba nag-present sa kanila?
Ay,
Yung mga
hindi
kaalyado
ko alam
nyo
kung sino
nag-present sa
nag-present.
kanila.
Please do not accuse
Hindi
me.
may nag-present dyan. Baka kaalyado nyo nag-present
Ay,
dyan.
hindi. Ayan ang propaganda. Biro mo ang assertion mo, ako kasama.
Eh, ba't mo hinahanap sa akin? Baka alam mo.
Alam mo, pag ikaw ang estado, never mind.
Well, let's
I respect this show. I do not want to go to the gutter.
Don't
Let's ask
start
ng vote.
kasi.
Let's ask
You're
ng vote.
putting something to me.
But you are representing government.
But still, bakit ko malalaman? Hindi ako nag-present dyan.
Oh,
bakit mo sa akin
You
ipapaturo
can
sa akin
always
na
say
malamang
it
alam
in a
ko?
very nice way
But
without
you don't have
insulting
to
people.
start.
Oh,
You don't have to
excuse
start.
me.
Okay po.
Excuse me.
Ano
You don't have to start.
Ganito po. Let's ask lang each one. Do we have any information from either end? Any information from either end of where he is? And
No, I don't know. There was someone who told me that he is in the custody of government, agencies of government, including the family.
including the family.
Including the family. So, do I know for certain? No. It was relayed to me. Am I part of the scheme that some people would say I am part? I am not. I am just an ordinary citizen who loves this country and would like to comment on certain things.
Tinanong natin yan sa Marines eh. At sinabi nila na wala sa kustodiya nila, walang nakakaalam. Siguro ang dapat
si
na
Mike
natin
Defensor
tanong si
din
Mike
na-
Defensor.
No, we already asked Mike Defensor.
Bakit hindi kaagad file ng kaso? That's 482 ghost projects out of the 8,000 plus. Sa akin, material yon. Kasi, at least nakita ng taong bayan, yung ghost project na filean.
Na may umusad. May
Oo,
umusad.
110 days na. Diba?
Meron na pong
ako
file. May na-file na po. Kung hindi po kayo
ng ghost
updated,
projects?
may na-file na po.
Ilan? Sa
Si Secretary
482?
Vince.
Ilan ang 482?
Hahanapin ko po sa kanya, pero may na-file na po. So, wag po tayong, kasi medyo misleading po yung sabihin na sa
Walang
ilang araw,
na-file.
wala pa pong nagawa. Meron na pong sampahan ng kaso.
Kaya nga ang tinatanong ko ilan.
Kaya nga, bibigay ko po
Just
sa
to
inyong
be fair
detalye.
with facts, 482 are ghost projects and nobody has even informed the public that out of the 482, 50%, 30%, 10% have been filed.
Nag-ano po kami, nagre-report po kami, even during the press briefing. Ibibigay ko lang po sa inyo, dahil hindi ko lang po dala yung detalye ngayon, dahil hindi ko po alam na makakasama ko kayo. So, bibigay ko po kayo ng detalye, pero siguro kung nanonood po ang karamihan ng press briefing, nandun po yung mga reports namin.